Hello. Hello, everyone. How are you all? I'm sure you all are fine. Good, right? If you're fine, if you're happy to see me, give me thumbs up. Thumbs up. Okay, great. I can see many thumbs up. All right. Yes. So I'm here today to revise all the sound that we have done in our classroom. Okay. We have done the sound of letter A, letter B, letter C, and letter D. So we shall learn all the sounds along with the action and the rhymes. Okay, so let's start with the first one. Yes, this is letter A. Okay, this is letter A. And do you remember the sound of letter A? Letter A says, yes, remember. Okay, yes. So the letter A says ah, ah, ah. Okay, do the action along with me. Ah, ah, ah. Ah, ah, ah. Very good. I'm sure you all are doing with me. Okay. So yes, the action is throwing away all the ants from your hand, and sound is ah, ah, ah. Okay. So let's sing a song. Are you all ready? Okay. All right. Ah, ah, ants on my arm. Ah, ah, ants on my arm. Ah, ah, ants on my arm. They are causing me alarm. Itchy, itchy. See, when you have ants all over your body, you feel itchy, itchy, right? And you want to say, okay, go away, ant from my body, go away. So this is the action. Ah, ah, ah. All right. So please don't forget. So I have a few items to show and share with you. Yes, this is an apple. Okay, apple. So this is the spelling. A-P-P-L-E, apple is the spelling. So what is the beginning letter? Letter A, and letter A says apple. Okay, apple. Okay, please repeat after me. Okay, so I have one more. Okay, this is ant. Ant. When we say ant, the beginning sound that we hear is okay, so this is the spelling of ant, and the beginning letter is A, and A says ant. Okay, A-N-T, ant is the spelling. I have one more item. Okay, Mr. Alligator. Yes, this is an alligator. Alligator. Please repeat after me. Alligator. Alligator. Yes, good job. Alligator. Alligator. Okay, so here's the spelling. Don't focus on the spelling. Okay, you don't need to know right now. You'll know gradually, but for now, just look at the beginning letter and its sound. Letter A says alligator. Okay, so when we say alligator, we hear sound at the beginning. Okay, this is an X. 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 This is the spelling of X, and beginning letter is A, and A says Okay, very good. So now let's move on to the next sound. Okay, so this is letter. Which letter is this? Yes, try letter B. Okay, letter B. Letter B says, pretend B. Do with me. B. Very good, wonderful. I can see that you all are doing. Yes, so letter B says B. Okay, and the song is bring your bat and bring your ball. B. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. Let's go to the park and play. Let's bring your bat, let's bring your ball, let's play together. Okay, so the sound of letter B is B. All right. Yes, so I have a butterfly. See, butterfly. Tiny little butterfly. Butterfly. Okay, so this is a butterfly, and next is bat. Bat. Okay, so when we say bat, we hear sound at the beginning. Look here, bat, bat is the spelling, and beginning sound is b. Bat. Bat. Okay, this is a bat. Okay, so let's move on to next. This is letter C. This is letter C. Everyone, please repeat after me. Please be honest. Letter C. Letter C says do the action. Don't forget to do the action. Very good. Wonderful. I can see that you all are doing along with me. Very good. Okay, so now let's sing a song. Okay, we are clicking castanet. We are clicking castanet. We are clicking castanet. Clicking castanet. We are clicking castanet. Okay, all right. The sound is so what I have for you, let me show it to you. I have a candle. Candle. Okay. Candle. What else? I also have a cat. 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 What else? Cup. Okay. Cup. There are so many words that has beginning sound. Okay. All right. So let's move on to the last one for today. Letter D. Letter D says. Letter D says. Yes, guess the sound. Guess the sound. I've already told this in the class. Letter D says. Very good. D. Very good. Okay. So the letter C says D. Okay. So and the song is see me play on my drum. Playing drum is lots of fun with a d. See me play upon my drum. Letter D says do the action and say the sound. It is very important for you to say, speak up, do the action. It will help everyone to remember. Okay, it stays forever in your mind. Okay, all right. Okay, so beginning d. So what are the words or item that has beginning sound d? Duck. D quack duck. Okay, so duck. When we say duck, the beginning sound we hear is d. What else? Door. Okay, door. D door. D drum. Okay, so this much for today. We just did a quick revision of letter A, B, C, D. A, B, K, D. Today we will do more in upcoming days. I hope you enjoyed with me, and I'm sure you all followed me. Did you do along with me? Give me thumbs up if you did. Okay, I can see you all did it with me. You all were very good. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for repeating and being so good. Okay, thank you so much. Bye. Stay safe. Love you all. Now it's our reading time. Are you all ready to read with me? Okay, that's wonderful. So what is on the picture? This is an alligator. Okay, let's repeat together. Alligator. Alligator. Good job. Next. What is this? Axe. Axe. Please repeat after me. Axe. Axe helps to cut trees and other things. Okay. Okay, what is this? This is an apple. 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 I hope you are repeating with me. Okay. So do you like to eat an apple? It is my favorite. I'm sure you all love to eat an apple, right? This is an ant. This is an ant. 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 Repeat after me. Ant. Do you know what is this? Okay, guess Yes, that's correct. It's a banana. It's a banana. Okay. So banana. Banana. You have to please repeat after me. Please repeat after me. Banana. Wow, what a lovely colorful ball. Do you have a ball in your house? Okay, so this is a ball, a big colorful ball. 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 This is a cup, a red cup. Okay, cup. Cup. Please repeat after me. Cup. Great. What is this? It is a cow. 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 Cow gives us milk. We have to drink milk every day. Okay? This is a cow. Cow. All right? What is this? Meow. Meow. It is a cat. Cat. It is a cat. Cat. Do you have a cat in your house? No? Okay. What a lovely cute doll, isn't it? It is a doll. 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 I'm sure you all are repeating after me. Doll. Doll. Make sure you do the action also. Okay, don't forget to do the action. Beat a drum. Doll. Okay, what is this? It is a drum. It is a drum. 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 Do the action. Do the action and repeat the sound with me. Drum. Okay, letter D says d. Okay, we all have this in our house. Door. Okay, point at the door and say door. Point at your door. Very good. Door. Okay. Letter D says d. Okay. And it is a door. We have to lock our door when we are inside. We should not open our door to the stranger. Okay. Door.